Chitchat English.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good day to you, sir.
Good day. How can I assist you today?
He is still not well.
I hope he gets better soon.
Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you. I will.
I will call you later.
Sure, talk to you then.
I will catch you soon.
All right, see you soon.
Please give me your hand.
Here you go.
Get out of my sight.
I'm leaving now.
I did not understand.
Can you explain it again?
What do you mean?
I mean, can you clarify your point?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the project deadline.
Could you stay away from my stuff?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to intrude.
I am sorry.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
I am feeling tired today.
You should take some rest.
It's none of your business.
I understand, I'll stay out of it.
I don't know.
That's all right, let's find out together.
We both like each other.
That's wonderful to hear.
Come quickly.
I'm on my way.
Talk to you later.
Okay, talk to you soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What is your problem?
I don't have a problem, I'm just concerned.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too.
How are you?
I'm good, how about you?
What is going on?
Not much, just working. How about you?
What are your likes and dislikes?
I like reading and hiking, and I dislike loud noises.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem, it happens.
What can I do for you?
Can you help me with this report?
Will you please help me with this?
Of course, what do you need help with?
This is not a joke.
I understand, I'm taking it seriously.
Stop kidding.
I'm not, I'm being serious.
What is happening here?
We're having a team meeting.
Everything is fine.
Glad to hear that.
Did you get my point?
Yes, I understand now.
What do you want from me?
I need your assistance with this project.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Where is your office?
It's on the third floor, room 305.
Get ready to go to school.
I'm almost ready, just packing my bag.
I will try my level best.
That's all anyone can ask for, thank you.
Are you joining us?
Yes, I'll be there in a minute.
I am very pleased to meet you.
Likewise, it's a pleasure to meet you too.
You are my responsibility.
I appreciate your support.
This is not fair.
I agree, let's try to find a solution.
What are you doing today?
I'm going to the market and then to a friend's house.
Please say something.
I'm just thinking about what to say.
I will come again.
You're always welcome here.
What would you like to have?
I'll have a cup of coffee, please.
Thank you for inviting us.
It was our pleasure to have you.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome, I'm glad I could help.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you. It's kind of you to say.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I'm having a great day.
I wish you a happy married life.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Please be seated.
Thank you, I'll sit here.
I'm on my way.
Great, see you soon.
When will you reach?
I'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine, thank you.
Hope to see you next time.
Absolutely, looking forward to it.
We appreciate the offer, but
We're going to have to pass this time.
I'm not really into it, but thanks for asking.
No problem, maybe next time.
I'd rather not, thanks.
That's okay, I understand.
Well,
What's on your mind?
what have you been up to?
Not much, just working. How about you?
Hey there!
Hi. It's good to see you.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Look who it is.
Hey. Long time no see.
That's not going to work for me.
All right, let's find another solution.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Sounds fun, but I'm not available.
Maybe another time then.
I want to, but I'm unable to.
I understand, no worries.
If you ask me,
Yes, what's your opinion?
I don't have strong feelings either way.
That's fair, let's go with the majority.
That's so true.
I know, right?
I beg to differ.
How so? Tell me more.
That's not how I see it.
Can you explain your perspective?
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm thrilled.
That's terrible.
I know, it's really unfortunate.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Thank you, I appreciate your sympathy.
Let me check my calendar.
Okay, I'll wait.
Sounds great.
I'm glad you think so.
Pardon?
I said, could you repeat that?
What do you mean?
I mean, can you clarify?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I get it.
Is that clear?
Absolutely, understood.
I need a little help.
Sure, what do you need?
Could you do me a favor?
Of course, what can I do for you?
Keep up the good work.
Thank you. I will.
Long time, no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
You're doing great.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Do you mind repeating that?
Not at all, here it is again.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
I said, could you repeat that?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Let me repeat it for you.
I'm not happy about this.
Let's discuss how we can fix it.
I have a vague recollection of.
Can you remind me?
It's a piece of cake.
That's good to hear, it sounds easy.
How much is this?
It's $20.
I'm starving.
Let's get something to eat then.
I'm full.
I guess you enjoyed your meal.
I love this show.
Me too, it's one of my favorites.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have 2 bags.
Your flight has been canceled.
Oh no, what are my options now?
No matter what happens, I'm going to.
Stay positive and keep going.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's alright, I'm glad you're here.
I was tied up in a meeting.
No problem, I understand.
I'm afraid you're right.
I wish I wasn't, but it's true.
No, you've got it wrong.
Please, let me explain.
She's brilliant.
Absolutely, she's amazing.
He's a bit slow.
Maybe he needs some more time.